Hey guys, welcome to Protein Treats by Nutracelle. I'm Melanie Wildman, and I'm showing you lots of easy, yummy ways that you can have decadent, indulgent food and lose weight with it. I had weight loss surgery almost 10 years ago, and I've managed to keep off over 100 pounds since then. And I want to show you guys all the easy hacks and fun ways that you can have yummy food and still maintain your weight. So today I'm showing you one of my husband's favorites turned into a smoothie. He loves coffee with weird flavors, and one of his favorites is strawberry coffee. I personally am not a big fan, but he loves it. So in honor of Father's Day, which is the day we're actually filming this, I'm putting together his favorite coffee into a smoothie for you guys. Okay, so to make this smoothie, all you're going to need is some frozen strawberries, a little bit of coconut milk. If you don't want to use coconut milk, you could use soy milk, you could use almond milk, you could use regular milk. I just caution you that regular milk has about 13 grams of sugar in it, so if you're trying to eat low sugar, you want to stay away from that. And make sure at the grocery store, whatever milk you use is unsweetened. And then of course, our vanilla mocha coffee. It has 100% real Colombian coffee in it and 10 grams of prebiotic fiber, plus 30 grams of protein. It is a nutritional powerhouse. Nothing else like it even exists because it's nut-free, gluten-free, sugar-free, all of that good stuff, and it tastes absolutely amazing. So we're gonna use that, and that's it. This is the easiest way to get your morning started. So let's go ahead and start putting this together. I'm gonna start with my coconut milk here. Now, if you wanna have a little extra nutrition boost in the morning, you can actually add in a little bit of coconut oil, and that'll make it even a little bit thicker, and it's pretty yummy. I'm gonna add my frozen strawberries here. A lot of people don't realize this, but because fruit is flash frozen right in the fields or right after they harvest it, it actually has more nutrients in it than the sort of fresh strawberries that you get at the grocery store. The big exception to that is if you're grabbing your fruits from farmers markets or picking it right from the field, then of course that is the very best way to get all of the nutrition from your strawberries. And I'm going to go ahead now and add 3 scoops of our vanilla coffee mocha here. There we go. And my 3rd scoop. Smells so good, you guys. If you've never had the vanilla mocha coffee here, it is insanely delicious. It is so good. Okay, I'm gonna get my lid on and blend this up. All right, here we go. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm not too sure about this one. Let's go ahead and pour it in. It looks great. If you love coffee and you love strawberries, you're probably gonna love this smoothie. Let's give it a test. It's not bad. It would not be my go-to every morning, but it's not bad. All right, if you want more super yummy recipes, make sure you check out our channel every week. Make sure you subscribe, comment below, and tell me what you think of strawberry and coffee together. And of course, if you want to learn a little bit more about Nutracelle, check us out at Nutracelle.com, and I will see you guys back here next week. Thanks, guys. If you like your coffee just black and straight up like I do, you might not be as keen on it, but check it out if you... I think my husband will like it. All right, guys. All right, I'm not a fan. Yeah, I'm feeding this one to my husband. All right, if you want more super yummy... All right.